So let's take a look at arguments in GraphQL. So first thing, go to graphqlhub.com and click on this Hacker News API browser. Okay, so open that in new tab, and here you have already the default query to test out. You can remove this and click on this docs on the right. Okay, so let me just check this. Now here you have this root type as query here, GraphQL Hub API, and here go to Hacker News API. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to write our query, and we are going to find out what arguments are often required for fetching the data. So Hacker News has HN. So you can write the query now. Now inside here you have this field top stories. Okay, and it takes argument name, limit, and offset. Okay, so we are going to write top stories, and within bracket we have limit. We can set, let's say, limit to 5, and offset that points to number of pages to check, let's set it to 2. Then you can get the fields such as ID, text, time, and title. Okay, now if I run this, then I get the exact data that I asked for. So if I remove this, then you may notice that it should return you with only this blank data and plus an error that says you have required set of arguments. So you have to put it back there and run. Okay, so you need those arguments for some of the queries that you make to the API. Okay, so these arguments here limits your return search with 5 results, and offset points to the pages to check. So I'm setting it for 2 and also limited to 5. So we have this, then this, and this for all the results. Okay, so that being said, you get the idea of how to make use of arguments in your queries and how to send those arguments to your field. Okay, so top storage is your field with arguments limit and offset. Okay, so when you make your Hacker News query, you have to pass certain arguments to that field. Okay.